Yesterday, I was in Bulawayo, a part of our country where the rain that is falling should be welcome, given the vulnerability of the area to droughts and the city's perennial water problems. Unfortunately, when bad stewardship allows infrastructure to break down and decay, even the blessing of rain becomes something of a curse. Because what you have is pure water from above mixing with uncollected refuse and sewage flowing on the streets and into the water supply system, something that has created a health crisis even the Minister of Health is warning about. Today I'm in Chegutu, and it's the same picture. After a few minutes of rain, badly maintained roads become even worse and impassable as the drainage system is simply overwhelmed, and dirty water flows freely in the market area where food is sold in the open. As I drove today to see the Chegutu railway station, where as a young man I used to catch the train, permanent signs at a railway crossing announced that the flashlights were not working. The electric pylons, stripped of electrical cables, are all the evidence that is left that we once had an electric train system. The idea that people should spend half a day in a banking line to get a fraction of what they actually have in their accounts is tragic.
So what you're seeing behind me is the reality every day for most Zimbabweans, and I'm right here in the heart of Bulawayo, and people are queuing for many hours to get sometimes $20.
The undeniable reality on the ground will not necessarily stop the apologists of the system from shamelessly defending the indefensible. What will stop them is our refusal to accept this rot as normal and as our fate, and the clear and emphatic statement we must make in the next few months that Zimbabwe needs new leadership at every level, the kind of leadership that prides itself in making life better for all the citizens of our beautiful country.